魔法公主西西日常篇。
Wow, so this is the gurgle mushroom. It's not just delicious, it has amazing magic too. What was that sound? Huh? What's going on? TWho, are you the one messing around? Don't pretend to be asleep. There's no one else here. Ouch! Who threw that at me? Huh? A shadow? Who on earth is it? Could it be the legendary creepy monster? They say the creepy monster lives on Creepy Hill in the Enchanted Forest. It's all black, super sneaky, and loves to sneak into houses to cause trouble, leaving everything a mess. It can't mess up my room. I'm gonna find it. Where are you? Where are you? Found you! I won't stop till I catch you! Capture magic! Pew pew pew! Pew pew pew! You're not getting away! Pew! Got you! Let me see who you really are! That shadow is way too good at hiding. I give up. I'm done looking. I really am. Pew pew pew. You can't run from me. Pew pew pew. Got you now. Let me see your trill face. Where's the shadow? Why is there just a small suitcase?
Where did this come from? I swear I've seen it before.
Thursday! That shadow was you? You were pranking me? Don't act cute to get out of this. Tell me, why are you here? You want to stay here forever? That's fine with me. But we need to check with TWho first. TWho,